Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today is another skincare video. I'm trying to do better when it comes to skincare, but I've been using a product for a while that I really like and I want to share it with you, and it's from Clarins. But before I talk about this product, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I really like skincare and it just takes a while to use stuff and then talk about it. But today I'm going to talk about this balm from Clarins. This is their SOS Comfort and it's the Nourishing Balm Mask with wild mango butter. This is really nice, and something I really like about it is the application, because when it comes to the application, all you need to do is apply to your face and neck, avoid the eye area, leave on for 10 minutes. You just put it on your face and neck, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you remove it. But how do you remove it? It says remove with a cotton pad soaked in lotion. I'm somebody who doesn't really like going to bed with like a whole lot of serums and oily stuff on my face, so to find like a really moisturizing balm that I can just put on, leave for 10 minutes and remove it is an absolute bonus for me. How much does this thing cost? Raquel likes it. How much does it cost? It costs 575 Rand, which is round about almost I think $38 US. It is pricey, but a little goes a long way. And also at the back it tells you that you can use this for about 18 months. So to pay, you know, like 575, almost $38 to use for a year and a half, for me I think it's kind of really good, especially if it's something that you like and that your skin really likes as well. So I'm gonna open this up, and it also smells nice. But something that, you know, on my skincare journey that I'm also starting to really get into is I really want to try and use fragrance free stuff. But as I said, I've been using this for a while and I'm moving on to other things in my skincare journey. When you take it out, it's very thick. It's also light yellow in color, you know, like the packaging. It's so thick. Like when you put it on, you know, it just melts like butter, and you can actually feel that there's something on your skin. You don't have to like layer it and put a whole lot onto your skin. You just put a little bit. It's nice and soft. You can apply it as you want, avoiding the eye area, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then it just comes off really nicely. It's soft to the touch and it's very luxurious for me, and you really feel that mango butter, you know, just really gliding on. So I really do like this, and as I said again, you know, the application is just a breeze. It does smell nice, but if you're not into fragrance, then you're not gonna like this because of the fragrance. Yeah guys, I think I'll stop there. I just wanted to share, you know, my thoughts on this because we all walk past it. We've seen this around. Is it good? Isn't it good? It is something that I like, but again, moving on to my journey, I might not buy this again simply because of the fragrance, but while using it, I actually enjoyed it. And I'll stop there guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. Drop your comments down below and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.